Robin says, beautification. When bumping out a layer or two of exterior bricks an inch or so, is it best to just leave a small void between the interior and exterior bricks, or fill that area with something? Yeah, Robin, if it's in a place where there is an interior brick, like if it's, where the core is sitting, or if you're doing a double skin, or for whatever reason, ideally you'd want to fill that with mortar as you go. And the only reason for that is just because airspace is insulative space, and space filled with mortar that makes a solid connection will conduct, right? So if you can, you want to fill all those gaps with mortar as you go. And usually that's easiest to do from the top down. So you want to, fill layer by layer as you go. Don't leave it open gaps and try and hope you're going to get some down there, but just go do it as you go, layer by layer, and you don't need to agonize over it too much. But if you can, fill those voids. You might get a little stick once you drop some in there and kind of vibrate it down into the voids and get it to flow around, and that'll just basically what you're going to try and do is turn your multiple layer stove into a monolithic unit. That's kind of what our goal is, and that's sort of the opposite goal of a lot of double skin stoves. So don't do that if you're building a double skin stove, because they usually want a little separation for thermal expansion. But in our case, we're building our stoves kind of as one unit, hoping to move together and heat as one. And so ideally you'd fill those gaps, and that's the same like filling the holes in the bricks if you have cord bricks. So I hope that answered your question, Robin.